What's going on, guys? On today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to play Bondye Fel by Rosena Josselin. That sounds interesting. Let's go ahead and hop into it. All right, so here we go. So first, we're gonna start off here with just the C major here, right, as we usually do. Pretty much all these videos. And later on in the tutorial as well, I'm gonna show you guys another song that we've taught on this channel before that goes right into this song as well, kind of perfectly. So you can see how that works as well. And as a musician, I think it's really important for you guys to be able to combine songs together in a medley fashion. Basically, you're making a lot of songs coexist together in the same train of playing so with a similar tempo. That works well together. Or you can change up the tempo and make the song entirely new altogether. But I'll show that later on after we finish learning this one. But here we go. So the song starts off with Sayo Pat Vlewea, right? Sayo Pat Pansea, which will go into the G major. We have G, G, B, and D here on the right, and then G and D in the left. Then we go to Yopat Me, Emmanuel. Wow, sorry guys, I am butchering these lyrics. I'm trying to incorporate lyrics into these songs now so that it's more relatable to when I'm playing these chords versus the in combination with the lyrics of the song. But let me know what you guys think, if I should just stop trying and just play the tutorial and that's it. But yes, the next line of the lyrics are Yo pat me imaginer. Wow, I could have read that a lot better. Anyways, Yo pat me imaginer. Right, we go to the A minor, A, E in the left, A, C, E in the right, as you see above the screen here. Let's go to the F major, F, C, F, A, C in the right. Bondye Fel, back to C major. Again, Sayo Pat Vlewea, taking the C, go into the G major, Sayo Pat Pansea. You can add the sus 4 in there. Basically, it's taking away the B. Any sus, whether it's 2 or 4, you're taking away the third and either adding the fourth of that scale or of that chord progression, right? Or that chord. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First note of the chord, second note, third, fourth, and fifth note of the chord. You take away the major third and make it a sus 4. I mean, well, yeah. It will say sus 2 either way, but realistically, this is a sus 4 because it includes the fourth note, right? And then sus 2 is here. So I add the sus 4. And then we go into the next verse here. Yo pas même imaginer to the A minor. Sorry about that. To the F major. Même Bondye Fel to the C. Second half of the verse is the same exact chords again. Tu plank te fait compte moi, right? Pour moi pas réussi. You guys gotta help me out with these lyrics here, right? Going to the G major, same as before. Mais l'éternel campé pour moi to the A minor, right? To the F major again. L'élève tête moi, back to C major. Pretty simple. Guys, if you're enjoying the video, go ahead and consider following me on my social media. At Instagram, it's going to be _StefPlays_, and on my TikTok, it's going to be at the official Stefan LA. I'm posting a couple of duet videos sometime soon, as well as any tips and tricks on how to play certain styles and certain songs. I'm also going to be trying to do a couple of covers, you know, God willing, in the future. But again, if you're liking the video, go ahead and follow me. Again, on social media, Instagram is going to be _StefPlays, _StefPlays, and on my TikTok, it's going to be at the official Stefan LA. Now, let's get back to the video. All right. Now, for the chorus, we're gonna start with the A minor. We to G major, Li, Fel, C major. Again, that's we, Li, G major, and then C major, Fel. Right? That little extra thing I did here, I'll just kind of bounce between the C, D major, and then back to C. Right? As I'm extending my hands here, right? I'm not just playing the C major with the left hand simply here and the C major with the right hand simply here. I extend it by having my double C's here in my left hand and then playing a C inversion in my right hand. Right? I can even add that G in here if I want to. Right? What I do is just I take up from here. As you see up there, it says D minor 7. Right? Because that's really what it is, a D minor. And then add the 7th note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? If you want to think of it a different way, it's basically just an F major chord over a D bass. If you want to play it that way. Right? So here we go again. So we go we at the A minor, Li, G, Fel at the C. And then we Bondye Fel, right? We go into the D minor, back to C, right? And then I like to do something here. I'd like to play the 7th note of the scale degree, which is technically just the G first inversion, right? Rather than playing the G as our bass note here, G, B, then D, I take everything up 1 note degree, right? Right? All right. All right, so I have we, Li, Fel, goes to D minor, Bon, back to C, Dieu, and then Fel. You can either do it like this, the G first inversion like this. We're just taking everything up 1 note. So instead of G, B, D, we're playing B. And then my right hand, really, B, D, G. Left hand is going to be B and G. You can either do it that way or back to just regular G. So, right? Whichever one you want. And then back to A minor again. B, back to G, B, and then C, right? The way you want to play this, you can either do it very simply like we, Li, and then continue on with the song, or to be a little bit extra in it, you can do we, Li, so I'm basically going from the C to, all I'm doing is dropping down my 2 C's here. I'm keeping the G in my left hand, right? And my right hand here, I'm keeping G in my left hand here, my right hand here. All I'm doing is taking my C and E fingers and making it B and D to complete that C first inversion again. Or I'm sorry, that G first inversion, right? So similar to how we did right? Back to A minor. This one's gonna be we fell when. So it's fell when. Back to G. To hit that F, right? Right? So that descending progression, where we fell, Bondye Fel, right? It's gonna be a little fast, so you want to practice that again. If this is your first time getting used to this song, just so that you can get used to the speed of that one progression here. Again. After that G first inversion, you can move your hand freely back to that A minor position. Again, here we go. Right? Going to the D minor, back to C, and then that G first inversion, and then that A minor, and then again that quick progression, right? C, G first inversion, A minor, G regular, F major, G, and then back to C, right? Listen to the whole song again, just as a refresher. Here we go. Sayo pat vlewea, so then C, to G major, sayo pat pensea, yo pat même imaginer, go into A minor, back to F, même Bondye Fel, to C major. Right? And then same chords, just a different verse, or a different part of the verse really. Tout plankte fait compte moi, keep with the C, excuse my Creole. D major, pour moi pas réussi. Right? Mais l'éternel campé pour moi, to A minor, to F major, mi levé tête moi, to C major. Going to the chorus, to A minor, we, G major, li, C major, Fel. Going to D minor, to C major, Bondye, and then to the G first inversion, right? A lot of people consider this as the 7th chord because the base of it, your thumbs are literally on the 7th note of the scale, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Even though it technically is a G first inversion, but a lot of people consider this. A lot of musicians consider this as the 7th chord, right? And then we continue on. A minor, we, li to G major, and then that quick progression. Fel to G major, to F major, na, G major. Well, guys, that is going to be it. Hope you guys learned a lot. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friend. And like before, follow me on my social medias. And again, I thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you guys next time.